Dark spots, acne marks, uneven skin tone. अगर ये सब आपकी स्किन केयर प्रॉब्लम्स है, then wait. आज हम देखने वाले हैं अनूआ नायासिनामाइड 10% प्लस TXA 4% सीरम के अंदर एक्चुअली क्या है। नाम में ही दो पावरफुल एक्टिव्स हैं, 10% नायासिनामाइड एंड 4% ट्रानेक्सामिक एसिड। पर इस बॉटल में सिर्फ ये दो इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है। There's arbutin, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, panthenol, and even some soothing ingredients. So let's break the serum down ingredient by ingredient and see what each one is actually doing for your skin. सबसे पहले, niacinamide. And this serum contains a pretty high 10% concentration. Niacinamide is basically a form of vitamin B3, and skincare में इसका role काफी versatile है. It can help improve the appearance of uneven skin tone, excess oiliness, enlarged looking pores, and post-acne marks. So अगर आपकी skin dull लगती है या complexion uneven दिखता है, niacinamide can be a really useful ingredient. But एक important thing, 10% automatically means better नहीं होता. Higher concentration कुछ लोगों की skin को irritating लग सकती है, especially if you're new to active skincare. So skincare में quantity से ज़्यादा important है, your skin's tolerance. Now comes the main character, tranexamic acid. इस serum में है 4% TXA, यानी tranexamic acid. Skincare formulations में इसका use specifically uneven pigmentation and dark spot appearance को target करने के लिए होता है. Basically, अगर acne के बाद marks रह जाते हैं या skin tone uneven लगती है, TXA is one of the ingredients that can help improve the appearance of pigmentation over time. And that's why this serum is more of a brightening and uneven tone-focused serum, rather than just a basic hydration serum. But wait, formula में एक और brightening ingredient है, arbutin. And Anua lists 2% arbutin in this formula. Arbutin is commonly used in skincare for the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone. So now look at the combination: niacinamide, tranexamic acid, and arbutin. Basically, 3 ingredients working around the same general goal: more even-looking, brighter-looking skin. That's what makes this serum interesting. It's not just one hero ingredient doing all the marketing work. Now let's talk hydration. Because brightening actives के साथ skin को hydrated रखना भी important है. This formula contains hyaluronic acid in multiple forms, along with polyglutamic acid. In simple words, these ingredients are there to help support skin hydration and that plump, comfortable skin feel. So serum का focus सिर्फ dark spots, dark spots, dark spots नहीं है. It also has ingredients that help give the formula a more hydrating and lightweight feel. And then we have 2 ingredients I personally love seeing in an active serum, ceramide and panthenol. Ceramide NP is a skin barrier supporting ingredient, while panthenol is known for its moisturizing and soothing properties. Basically, skincare में सिर्फ actives add करना enough नहीं होता. You also want your routine to support your skin barrier. Because if your skin barrier is unhappy, your skincare routine can quickly turn into glow up, nope, why is my skin freaking out? And that's exactly why hydration and barrier-supporting ingredients are a nice addition to an active serum. And formula yahi stop nahi hota. There are also ingredients like Centella asiatica, green tea-related ingredients, multiple forms of hyaluronic acid, and a vitamin C derivative. So ingredient list काफी packed hai. But remember, what matters is the overall formulation, your skin type, consistency, and how your skin reacts. So how do you actually use it? Cleanser के बाद serum के few drops apply करो, then moisturizer. And if you're using it in the morning, sunscreen is a must. So overall, what's inside this cute little red bottle? 10% niacinamide for skin clarity and tone, 4% tranexamic acid plus 2% arbutin for the appearance of dark spots and uneven tone, plus hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic acid, ceramide, and panthenol for hydration and barrier support. So basically, brightening, hydration, and barrier care all packed into one serum. Follow Trendy Fits Hub for more What's Inside skincare breakdowns. And I'll see you in the next one.